Hello everyone! Today's lesson is about modals. You have done them before, right? Let's review them together. Take a look at this table. Listen and repeat. Can and could. They express ability. I can hold my breath for 2 minutes. Permission. Can I meet my friend? And polite requests. Could you please help? Can't expresses prohibition. You can't stay here. And impossibility. I can't fly. Must expresses obligation. You must stop smoking. And deduction. She must be a genius. Mustn't expresses prohibition. You mustn't cheat in the exams. May and might express probability. It may or might rain today. And permission. May I help? Needn't expresses absence of obligation. I needn't or don't have to stay. Should expresses advice. You should listen during the class. Shall expresses suggestions. Shall we meet? And will, everybody knows this one, it expresses the future. I will eat chocolate today. Can, must, and may change in the past and in the future. Let's take a look at this table. Can is can in the present. I can swim. In the past, it's could. I could swim. And in the future, will be able to. I will be able to swim. Must stays must in the present. I must go. It turns into had to in the past. I had to go. And it becomes will have to in the future. I will have to go. May stays may in the present. You may leave. In the past, we use was or were allowed to. I was allowed to leave. And in the future, we use will be allowed to. She will be allowed to study. To express probability of a past action, we use modal plus have plus past participle. He must have worked from home. Good. So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you understood it, click here to move on to the next one. And if you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next!